Are you looking for the perfect CNC router but confused about which one to choose? Then you're in the right place. In this video, we'll showcase the top 5 best CNC routers for wood, metal, and DIY engraving. Powerful, reliable, and packed with smart technology. Whether you're a woodworker, DIY enthusiast, or small business owner, this video will help you find the best CNC router for your needs. So watch till the end and discover which CNC router is the right choice for you. Let's get started. Item number 5. The CNC 3D20 Pro Max is a compact yet powerful engraving and milling machine designed for wood, metal, and acrylic projects. Built with a full all-metal body and 12mm double steel linear guide rails, it delivers high stability and precise movement with up to 0.01mm accuracy. Powered by a 300-watt, 12,000 RPM spindle, this machine can cut aluminum and even stainless steel with ease. It features GRBL control, an offline controller, emergency stop, and limit switches for safe operation. With a 300x272mm work area, it's perfect for desktop DIY, hobbyists, and small workshop use. Item number 4. The CNC 318 Pro machine is a powerful all-metal CNC router designed for precision engraving and cutting. Featuring a high-performance 500-watt spindle running at approximately 12,000 RPM, it delivers strong and stable results on wood, acrylic, and light metal projects. With a working area of 300 at 80 millimeters, this 3-axis machine is ideal for desktop use. It comes equipped with NEMA 17 stepper motors, GRBL 1.1H control with offline support, and advanced safety features including limit switches and an emergency stop. Compatible with Windows, Linux, and Mac OS, it's a reliable choice for DIY users and small workshops. Item number 3. The Twotrees TTC 3018 CNC Engraver is a compact 3-axis machine designed for DIY enthusiasts, study, and creative projects. It features a durable aluminum and plastic frame with oxidation treatment, providing both strength and a sleek look. The 775 spindle motor operates at 8,000 RPM with an ER11 chuck, making it perfect for engraving soft materials like wood, plastic, acrylic, PVC, and PCB. With a working area of 300 40 millimeters, GRBL control, and support for Windows and Linux systems, it's highly portable and easy to use. A laser module can be added for more creative possibilities. Item number 2. The Twotrees TTC 450 Pro is a versatile 4-axis CNC machine designed for metal cutting, woodworking, and laser engraving. It features a large 460x460 80mm working area, an upgraded 17-1X motor for powerful torque, and smooth dual brass nuts for precise movement with 0.5mm accuracy. Compatible with GRBL software and Windows Mac systems, it supports a variety of materials including wood, aluminum, brass, acrylic, PVC, and more. The machine includes a 500-watt spindle, up to 12,000 RPM, XYZ limit switches, a 4.3-inch color touchscreen, and supports USB and Wi-Fi control. Ideal for DIY enthusiasts and professional workshops. Item number 1. The new water-cooled CNC machine is a versatile 3 to 5-axis router designed for wood, aluminum, and metal engraving. With a work area of 400x400 millimeters and optional sizes like 2030, 3040, 3060, and 4060, it suits both small workshops and professional projects. Equipped with high-precision ball screws, XY 1605, Z1204, and a 1500 watts or 2200 watt spindle with ER11 collet, it delivers stable and accurate performance. Controlled via Mac 3 software and USB interface, it supports Windows XP 7, 8, 10. Ideal for artists, CNC enthusiasts, and students, it's perfect for DIY, learning CNC, or professional machining tasks. Which of these CNC routers is your favorite? Don't forget to comment below and let us know. If you want to buy one, check the links in the description. Purchasing through them helps support our channel. And hey, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.